guys, welcome on FFD TV. As you can see, in Heartlake City are holidays. Yay, great! Look, we've got Olivia here. Hi, Livy! Olivia and the rest of our girls, look, they're having fun, whoa! And look, there's a boat and catamaran, great! But wait, there's a space. We need to build something in here. What do you think? What set we will build, huh? Ta-da! It's a surf shop! Woo! The number set is 41315, and in the set we can find one mini doll. It's Mia, and she's in a surfer suit. Oh, great! Look, she's gonna swim, and there's a beautiful sweet seal. Oh, and there's a surf shop. Wow! In the box we can find almost 200 pieces, like surf boats, kayak, and lots of accessories. Mia will swim on the surf boats and a kayak. Oh, I can't wait. So let's open and let's build it. Woo! In the box we can find 2 bags with bricks, beautiful, colorful holiday stickers, purple big brick, kayak, and of course, book with instruction of the building. Okay, so let's build it. Here's Mia. Hi, Mia. She's in a wet surfer suit. She's got a life vest so she can swim and she won't drown. Hey, but wait, there's no shop in here. Where's my surf shop? Wait, Mia, we will build it. Just a second. Okay. We just built surfboard stand. Look, we've got here 2 surfboards, 1 green, and the second one is white with the flowers. Oh, Mia can swim on it. Woo! Hi, Emma. Hi, Mia. Woo! What a great surfboard! I know. And who we've got here? It's a velvet. It's a little seal. She's got to stand in here so she can watch everyone from here. Oh, she's so sweet. We've got here a purple kayak. Mia can swim on it. Woo! Whoa, that's great! It's got a waterproof camera here too, so she can take pictures. Wow, that's awesome! Here we've got a part of our surf shop. Look, we've got a water here with a beach and a seat with lamps. And of course we've got a first window, yay! Now let's build the rest of the surf shop inside. Here we've got a shower. We can wash after going out from the water. There is a cold and a hot water. And a cosmetics. Oh, great! Here we've got shelves with articles for sale. There's cosmetics and the bags. Everything for a beach. Here we've got a stand with an accessories for swimming for sale. And here we've got a stand with a sunglasses and binoculars. Wow! Which one should I pick? Both of them are pink. And here we've got a stand with the drinks and a postcards. And the most important thing is sign of a surf shop. Hey, and we've got a wave here, wow! Dum, da, da, dum. And here's our surf shop, wow! He's perfect! Outside surf shop, we've got a water, a beach with the stairs and the lamps. We've got a seat in here and of course a shower. Here Here is a sign of a surf shop. There's a surfboard, flowers, and a wave. Wow, that's amazing. Inside we can find all accessories. There's a stand with accessories for swimming. We can buy sunglasses too and binoculars. Great! There's a drink and postcards. What should we buy? In the set we can almost find a kayak with a waterproof camera. There's a surfboard stand with 2 surfboards and of course a sweet little seal named Velvet. Our surf shop is really colorful and got a lot of accessories. I love the new kayak. We can swim on that. Woo! Leave me a comment, what do you think about that set? And do you want to see all of our Heartlake City? If you can't wait, leave a thumbs up! Remember to subscribe to see all of our new episodes! See you soon! Bye bye!